Hi, Mrs. Brand here. I'm going to walk you through how to navigate your Science Google Classroom. Start by going to Google Classroom, choosing the class that you are looking for, Science Period D. Let's pretend we're part of that class today. And you'll start always at the stream, which is only where I post important announcements and things like that. And then the real section that we want to focus on is the classwork section up here at the top. Team 1 landing page is posted. This has a link to all your teachers' information for the classes that you're a part of, such as independent work that might be assigned or what they're doing in class that day. And it has a bunch of important links you might need throughout the school year also. Your Science Daily Agenda is the Google Slides that we start class with every day. And there's a link here because not only can you find your independent work, which is in the purple box at the top, independent work. It tells us what we're doing in class today, any videos we watched, and what we really did throughout every moment of the class. So you can use this when you're absent to help you get caught up on work. There's also a link to the Gizmos website, which we'll use quite often throughout the school year because it has awesome science simulations, and I can send a video of that and how to log into that also. The Science Google Classroom will be organized by topic, and if there's a lot of assignments during a certain topic, it'll also be organized by dates. Here are 4 of the assignments we've already done this school year. You can see that they were done in class because I use a microscope emoji to signify if it was in class. If something was supposed to be done at home, there would be a little house symbol, so that could be something that's assigned independently or something that just needs to be finished outside of class. So if anyone ever has any questions about Google Classroom and where to find assignments, please don't hesitate to reach out.